Let me turn her over and put her on my chest. Come up here, sweetheart. Don't put your head under yet. Lie on my chest and I'm going to get you that lovely, warm water stimulating your back. See that? That is so beautiful. Lovely, warm water stimulating your back, helping produce billions of synapses, joining those neurons, joining the neurons, wiring your body for future movement and intelligence. But you're pretty smart already, aren't you? Hey? Do you like lying there on Poppa's? Are you gripping Poppa's shirt? Because as you get older, you've got to hold on to Poppa. He won't be holding you. You've got to hold yourself up in the water. And that's why you need to be able to grip. That's why you need to grip, my darling.